In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change label color in Gmail. Customizing your email labels not only helps you organize your inbox more efficiently, but it also allows you to personalize your Gmail experience to suit your preferences. Let's dive into it. To get started, head over to your Gmail inbox. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of your labels underneath your main categories like primary and social. Now find the label you'd like to change. Once you've selected the label, look to its right where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your labels options menu. Go ahead and click those dots to open the menu. This menu allows you to do a variety of actions related to your label like editing, removing, and more. But for our task today, we're focusing on the colors. Once the menu is open, hover your cursor over the option that says label color. By doing this, you'll see a palette of colors appear. It's a beautiful display offering a variety of shades to choose from. If you have a specific color in mind for better organization or aesthetic reasons, this is where you decide. Feel free to click through the available options until you find the one that fits your needs best. Remember, this color will be the visual key for this specific label in your inbox. So choose one that stands out to you or fits your organizational theme. Now, if none of those preset colors are exactly what you're looking for, don't worry. Gmail also gives you an option to create a custom color. If you look at the bottom of the palette options, you should see a button labeled Add Custom Color. Clicking this allows you to select from an even broader range of hues by entering a hex code if you know exactly what you want. Alternatively, you can use the color picker to explore different possibilities. Once you've settled on a color, click on it and it will instantly be applied to your label. And there you have it. You just changed the color of a label in Gmail, making your inbox not only more organized but also more visually appealing. This simple trick can really boost your efficiency and satisfaction as you navigate through emails. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other label you wish to customize. Before you know it, your inbox will be color-coded to perfection, allowing you to spot important emails in an instant. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your newly organized and colorful email experience.